How's it going, you guys? All American Truck and Auto Parts here, located in Fresno, California. We just got this thing in today, this morning. It has a lot of good parts on it, you guys. Super clean interior, super comfy as well. You guys come and check it out if you guys are close by. This is a 2004 Silverado 1500. Check out the motor. Let's see the interior. Go to our website, you guys, 559parts.com, 559parts.com, or simply give us a phone call, 559-264-3673, 559-264-3673. Look at this beautiful interior, you guys. I'm telling you, it's super comfortable. Look at all that cushion. Once again, website is 559-264-3673, 559-264-3673, you guys. Website again, 559parts.com, 559parts.com. Got the DVD player inside, nice stereo. And you guys go give us a follow on Instagram, on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Those are the best sources that will let you guys know what we have, what we're getting in, and let your family and friends know, you guys. And you guys take care.